Good morning everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel. For the ones that are new here, my name is Nochtli and good morning. I just woke up and slapped some makeup on my face because I had a very short night. But I'm on my way to do a fitting. I need a dress for a fashion show and all kinds of stuff, so I just need to go to Amsterdam and go fit some stuff. But today is a very fun day because I am going to record a what I eat in a day, but not what I normally do, because if you follow me for a longer time, you know that I always count my macros and my calories. But today I'm going to do it a little differently and try out intuitive eating. It's a very hard word for me to pronounce, but basically that means that I am just going to eat on my senses and just try out to eat what I think I should eat. And I have never done that before for a YouTube video, at least, so I'm very curious to see if I'm gonna make it and get enough calories in for the day. Because my problem always is that when I do eat intuitively, or whatever you might call it, is that I don't eat enough. And that has always been my problem. So the thing why I count macros and calories is just because, or else your girl is not eating enough and I feel really shit. We're going to do a what I eat in a day intuitively. Okay guys, I will be honest, I totally suck at breakfast when I have appointments in the morning. So I'm always late. So whenever I do have appointments and I have no time to eat, I at least make sure that I drink enough. So that's why in my bag I always take a big drink. This is like 1 liter and I put a vitamin C tablet in that. So now I'm going to do the fitting, and later on we're probably gonna have breakfast, or when I see something outside we can have something. But for now it's just running beyond time. Okay everyone, in the meantime we just got home and it is 11:30. Now at this point I'm very hungry, so what we're going to do is make a breakfast. I'm gonna take eggs as a protein source and a good fat source. Then we have some peanut cashew almond butter for in my oatmeal with almond milk, and that is going to be my breakfast. Now like I said, today is an intuitive eating kind of day, so I cannot use this, I cannot use my skill, so I'm just going to do it on feeling and see how that feels for a day. You know, it's just good to try out other stuff from time to time, and that's completely fine. If you're more comfortable counting your calories, that's fine too. You know, just find whatever works for you. And lately what I've been doing, since it's becoming a little bit more cold outside and those spices and everything through your oatmeal are really nice then in the winter periods. So I have cinnamon, which I'm going to put through it. But besides that, I have no idea what this is called in English. It is called koek en speculaaskruiden. Wat is dat in het Engels? Cookie en...
No, het is volgens mij gewoon gingerbread.
Gingerbread?
Yeah, gingerbread spices.
Gingerbread spices. I'm just putting that through my oatmeal, and I'm always doing that beforehand, before it's going into the microwave. Then we're going to mix that. And we're going to pop this in the microwave for about 40 seconds, and we're gonna bake some eggs. So usually I always took coconut oil or olive oil, but since you take too much of that very easily and it adds to your daily intake of high fats, I always take this one. It's a baking spray, and it makes it very easy to just spray something in your pan. So the pan is heating up. I'm having some eggs right here. So I'm going to take 2 whole eggs and 2 eggs without the egg yolk in it. In the meantime, the oats are ready. It smells so good. For the Dutchies that are watching right now, this smells exactly like pepernoten. if I would need to explain that in English, we have a holiday in December, and then you always have this treat, which are basically gingerbread cookies, but very small, so they're like nuts, and it's really, really delicious. Here we go, oatmeal is done. Now it can be very hard to separate the egg yolk from the egg. So what I do, I break the egg and I switch it around so you can throw out the egg yolk. I never get why companies make these kinds of packaging. It's so freaking annoying to get this off, especially when you just did your nails. So I'm gonna take half a mango, so I do get some vitamins in there from the fruits. Now, and this is one of my tricks. Whenever you have half a mango, you sometimes don't know how to take it out. So what I do is basically make some lines with a knife, turn it, and do the same on the other side. This is really cool. When my mom taught me this when I was a little kid, I was like amazed. When you flip it out, you have all kinds of cubes of mango, and you can just cut them off and put it on your oatmeal or wherever you want to put it in. Super easy and so fast. Here we go, we have the cubes of mango. Now I'm gonna add some of the almond butter. The egg is looking really good. And then breakfast is almost served because I'm starving. Here we go. Well, so far for my perfect egg. To make my breakfast complete, all I'm going to do is add some salt to my egg and a Tex-Mex spices blend, which is really, really nice. And there we have it. Breakfast is done. Okay guys, I have been working all afternoon behind my laptop. I just put a 10,000 calorie challenge online, by the way, on my Dutch channel. So if you want to see that, I will link it here. It is time to eat again. So I'm really hungry in between meals and I want to have a snack. I make sure it's a fatty snack, to say it like that. Fat really digests slow. So what I have for now is this. It looks kind of weird probably on camera, but it's really nice. Here we have some carrots, some hummus, and this is actually with mango in it, really delicious. And we have a protein bar, vegan protein bar. Then we have some tea, and this will keep me full for at least another hour or so because I'm almost done working. Then I need to shoot some content, so I do feel like I need to eat like a big meal because my energy is a little low. So for the people who are working in an office, by the way, this is something that you can take with you very easily in a bucket or just wrap it in something and you can eat it while being at work. Alrighty ladies, we are back to the food. I'm hungry again. I don't know about you, but I am hungry like I think every 2 to 3 hours, and you girls got to eat something. So you know, next meal is coming up. This is the one before to the hairdresser though, because I'm going to dye my roots. I'm going to take you with me, so don't worry. I'm going to talk about that in a moment. But for now, I'm going to make a shake in a NutriBullet. I don't know if you girls ever have heard from that, or guys, by the way, who are watching right now. That is this thing. Super handy, and whenever you're in a hurry or you just want to have like a proper simple meal which you can drink, then this thing is bomb. It has this thing. I'm going to put some blueberries. That is the first thing, and they're frozen, by the way. I like it most when they're frozen because then your shake gets very cold whenever you drink it, and I love that. Then we have the ISO whey from Women's Best to have a good protein source in it. And you guys are gonna laugh at me, but this is something I've been doing for a long time, and I really like the The taste of it, I am putting 2 corn waffles through my shake. I hear you thinking, but you should try it, trust me. You can also take it with you to work. So whenever you make a shake like this, make sure you have the frozen blueberries, very important, because that will keep your shake cold until you're at work. Put it in the fridge or something if you have that, and you can drink it later. I love it. You know what the thing with me is, I just love the taste of corn, and I don't know why, but this is a perfect blend for me, and I love it. And oh, by the way, these metal straws are bomb. I used to have plastic straws until I saw this, and I was like, yeah, why not? Reusable and good for the environment. Alright guys, since Jeremy's playing FIFA and I have no audio, I'm about to do this in a voiceover. I'm making my dinner and starting off with this pumpkin soup, and we have some bulgur. Now since I can't weigh it, I always take approximately 1 centimeter from the bottom. I have some chicken that comes with it, and we're going to heat up the soup. Oh, this smells delicious. Oh. Now putting that on the stove, heating up the pan for the chicken, and again using my baking spray, all-time favorite. And in between I'm going to take at least 1 liter of water because I haven't been drinking that much, so I know at least my water intake is high enough for today. Getting a tiny bucket with some very hot water, it's boiled, and we're gonna pour it over the bulgur. Now the bulgur should just be covered enough with the water so it can soak in and get all that moisture into it so it will be steamed. Put on the lid of that bucket, make sure it's completely sealed, and simply just leave it there for 10 minutes. So easy. I'm gonna cut up some zucchini. Okay, here it is. After 10 minutes, it shouldn't be able to fall off the bottom anymore, and your bulgur is done. Baking up the zucchini so we can mash everything up later on. And here you have it. Delicious. Very easy, super fast, and very nutritious. This is my dinner. Now, who doesn't eat on the couch? I eat on the couch every freaking day. I love it. It's more cozy, and I always get to cuddle my cats in between, eat, watch a little television, and just chill out in my living room. I am closing this video off. I just squeezed my pimples. I was like, dude, wait, you still need to record something. But no. Anyhow, I just cleaned my whole skin and now it looks like this. I told you that I did the 10K challenge, right? And it's on my Dutch channel, and girl, what is this? It's like a crater. What are you doing there? Ugh. I just need to let my skin rest. I did drink a lot of water today, so that is good. Now, the last meal meal, what I'm going to take always, I always take it before bed, is low-fat quark. I'm gonna eat half of this. It's 250 grams and it's just low-fat yogurt, quark, whatever you want to call it. That is the last meal. And yeah, I'm just gonna put you down. Give me a moment. So I am gonna close the video off right here because it's very late. I'm gonna eat this very fast and I'm going to sleep. Tomorrow is a busy day. I have so many things going on in the weekend. A lot of stuff is happening. Thank you so much for watching. Do this video a thumbs up. This video was just a video to show you if I would just basically eat what I think is right with all the knowledge that I have up so far in fitness and in food. I don't do this very often, I'll be honest, but it is a very fun way for me to see for myself if I still have it, you know, if I still know what to eat, and just show you girls and guys what I do then. Every way of eating healthy to me is fine. If you count calories, if you don't, it doesn't matter. If it works for you, please stick to it. Let me know what your thoughts are on this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I need to stop doing this. I'm going to eat this one and go to bed.